Good morning class. Today we learn the non-linear partial differential equation, Cauchy's problem and Clairaut's form. Let us first discuss about the Clairaut's form. Clairaut's form, we can write the partial differential equation in the form z equal to px plus qy plus f function of qy. Every partial differential equation can be written in this form, then this form is said to be Clairaut's form, and its general solution become z equal to ay plus by plus function of ab. That is, in that partial differential equation we can replace small p by small a and small q by small b, where a and b are the constants. So let us consider the question. The general solution of this partial differential equation, there are four options. We can write the given differential equation in this form. We write z del z over del q p del z over del y q, and so we have this equation 6 z p into q equal to 3p square bracket 3p cube plus 2x cube plus 2q square into bracket 2x cube plus 3y p. By dividing it by the coefficient of z 6pq, then we get this. We can write like this equation in this form. This is in the form of Clairaut's. Clairaut's form is z equal to px plus qy plus function of p and q only. So its general solution directly become by replacing p by a and q by b. So it is this. This option is in C. So option C is correct. Now there are some questions which are of Clairaut's forms. Question 6, 7, 8, 9, these are all Clairaut's form. You can solve this by your homework and practice. Now we solve singular solutions. Singular solutions of partial differential equation for Clairaut's form. If Clairaut's form and its solution z equal to ax plus by plus a function of ab, equation 2. So equation 2 can be written new function capital F equal to ax plus by plus f of ab minus z equal to 0. So by partially differentiating equation 2 with respect to small a and small b, we have del f over del a equal to 0 and del f over del b equal to 0. We get equation 3, and for eliminating a and b from equations 2, 3 and 4, we get the required singular solution. Consider the question. General solution, we have the general solution is this, or we can write in the capital F equal to 0. So we find first del f over del equal to 0. So differentiate this equation with respect to a partially. So we get x del f over del a becomes x, this becomes 0, this become 1 upon ab into b equal to z become 0. So we have x plus 1 upon a equal to 0. So value of a is x a equal to minus 1 upon a. Similarly, with respect to b, we get value of b equal to v equal to minus 1 upon b. So put the value of a and b, the given solution a, b. So we have this, eliminating ab from equations 3, 4, 2, 3 and 4, we get this. So we have z equal to minus 2, z equal to minus 2 plus log of 1 upon xy. So this option is, so this is the required solution. Now we solve a question which is from the next question is for the Cauchy problem. This is the given equation this is the semi-linear equation, non-linear equation, it is not semi-linear. So we solve by Charpit's method, and this given family of surfaces passing through the particular curve x square plus y square equal to 2x and z equal to 0. On xy plane we have this circle. So there are 4 options. Option C is correct. So you solve by yourself.